Right now I'm on Electric Avenue in Brixton, first place in the whole of United Kingdom, UK, to have electric people here, and this is where we are, right here, Electric Avenue. The rain's pumping today. Yeah man, when you come on Electric Avenue as well, people, yeah, you can come and get... Oi! Yes people, look what I go and look. Basically right now, yeah, look out for the music videos. M.Dot waiting here.
Name Fight. Then also Shadow Benny sauce.
Shadow Benny sauce, yeah?
That's the one that brings it alive.
Alright, cool. How you mean people? Yeah man, I have good vibes. Yes people, you don't know what I'm going with there. Live, active. Welcome to 24 Hour Kitchen. Where we're there in our Brixton people, yeah. Good vibes. Back in Brixton again. M.Dot.
Hoi!
You're outside, you know?
You know, say I just guessed that we was doing that, you know.
Huh?
Man's active, you know.
Yeah.
Ever ready, brother. Yeah, we're active, man. You know that? Yeah.
Bumbo clot!
Oh, the bumbo class people, boss. You know what I mean? Hey, people, it's gone crazy. Ringo's gone crazy, bro.
Nah, a good vibes.
I've hit 3 million streams, nearly hitting 4 million streams, bro.
Nah, it's a good look.
Independent.
What we say? Work, rate, rate.
Crazy, like literally just from that time that we went Sweden, it's just gone mad.
People work rate, look at this, look where we're there.
But listen, we've got a guy that's flown in from I'm not sure where he's flown in from. He's flown in from another country to film a music video. So yeah, just see what I want, people outside new music. I know loads of people are like, what, you've only got one song, turn red. Obviously you don't know that, but fully active. That is it. Look at me, people. So yeah, man, I don't know what Ringo's doing today, but it looks like it's a behind the scenes in a music video.
Today, people, yeah, a vlog, we are vlog.
Brixton, we're outside.
I'm not asking whether you're more like the father. Oh, your dad is an evangelist. What I'm talking about is
And they preach them thing, you know. Listen, if they feel like they're doing good, then that's a good thing. You understand?
Definitely.
Where's the Electric Avenue?
Right here.
Right here. People, did you know, Ringo just taught me this is the first place to ever have electric in the whole of the UK.
There's my man there. Is that my man there? Yeah. Yes, people, you don't know what I'm going with there. Live, active. Welcome to 24 Hour Kitchen. Where we're there in our Brixton people, yeah. Good vibes. Back in Brixton again. I hope you've checked out the Brixton vlog, people, yeah, and seen the multicultural environment that I took you guys on a journey just the other day, people, yeah. Back here again, but today we were doing something different. Yeah man, it's a music video. Right now I'm on Electric Avenue in Brixton, first place in the whole of United Kingdom, UK, to have electric people, yeah, and this is where we are, right here, Electric Avenue. The rain's pumping today. Yeah man, when you come on Electric Avenue as well, people, yeah, you can come and get your mobile phone sorted out, and you fix phones.
Any phone,
iPhone, Samsung, come here, get your phone fixed, people, yeah, are good vibes. Guys, you know this is a food channel, so you know I'm not gonna come. I'm gonna be in Brixton. I still go and show you guys some vegetables again, said way. Yeah man, we're there, man. So we got the bananas them, we got the orange them, we got the plantain, green plantain, ripe plantain. Yeah man, and look over here now, we have some mangoes over here as well. And different melons. Remember to check out the video, yeah, cooking inside the melon, people, yeah, are good vibes. Now the essential things when we're cooking our food, yeah, that we use are things like this: Scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, and inside we have some garlic and ginger and them things there, people, yeah. So I'm going to show you a couple more things and I'm going to get back to the business again. Are good vibes.
Because normally it's here, I don't know why.
See the garlic them there, like I was telling you, and see the ginger them there as well, people, yeah. All right, so they got different types of garlic here. Garlic that's already stripped, and you got garlic there, but in the pods, and you got the ginger them. Yes, I said way, people, yeah. You got some fresh. These gingers there, them one there from the Africa or Caribbean. So the white yam them there. But the white yam them, man, good vibes.
And then you know the other one.
No?
So, how do you guys enjoy the journey coming from Switzerland all the way to London?
It's nice. It's a little bit rainy.
Remember, where we are at the moment
Yeah.
is in Electric Avenue.
Yeah.
So this is the first place in Great Britain to have electric.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so
nice.
before there was electric anywhere in the whole of the UK, this is where it came first.
Okay.
Yeah, man. So you're in a famous icon place.
Okay, cool.
At the same time, outside there as well, what we've got there is Brixton Market.
Yeah.
Multicultural.
Very,
Like
very multicultural.
they've got imported things from all over the world.
Yeah.
So you may find things from your native home as well
Yeah,
here
something
at this
like
market.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So good vibes.
Also like this. Yeah.
Cool. Yes, people, so we're just grabbing something to eat right now. Quickly, we're in Healthy Eaters down in Brixton, people, yeah. Good vibes, yeah, man. Brixton's got so much things going on and happening in and around Brixton, people, yeah. It's got an amazing nightlife. So as you can see, you can come to various different spots, come in. This is another indoor market on the other side, right by Electric Avenue. And it's got loads of different places where you can come in here, people, yeah, and grab snacks. You can come out on a date, whatever it is, whatever the occasion is. You understand? Even if you just want to get a quick snack, Brixton is a place where you can come down to and grab some food. It's got a lot of indoor food shops as well. Like I said, the nightlife is good. Bars, clubs, things like that. Yeah, man, good vibes. Big up yourself, people. You don't know what I've won. 24-hour kitchen there. Yes, people, so we're outside. You don't say, yeah, we're vlogging Sedway.
Well done, you lot, it's your boy Chimes.
And I just see him just doing his thing, you know, just lyrics. Sedway, so I just get two bars quickly, people, yeah?
Right,
They don't know anything, but.
Let me run some 2 bars quick. Alright, let me do an acapella thing for the beat in my head and that.
Yeah. Same time, M.Dot's preparing for the video shoot here.
M-Dot, you got a video shoot.
Cameraman here, he's setting up Sedway. Yeah, man, good vibes.
Big camera.
Alright, yo, look. Alright, look. Yo, look. They say time heals, but countless times I've been cut by the same blade. Control, Alt, Delete, I'm trying to free up space, enter a different stage. Level up, now it's time I rearrange the game. Back then they said maturity don't come with age, but in the process I changed my ways. Conversation with myself that can last for days. I burn a boy when I inhale pain. And you can say, I ain't cut down on the smoke, and then you're right, cause I won't stop. Voices in my head that can't be turned off. My mum's voice has been in there since she was her stuff, and I was feeling weak for a week on the wing when she was birded off. I need to lie on the snake, so I'm smelling off, and if I was raised right, they tell me where I went wrong, where I went left. Should I do a U-turn and try again? I had a U and I tried my best. I had another but failed again. No tears to all the O's, so my ears are ink. Cut that, man, cut that, man.
Good vibes. Where can they get the music? Where can they get the music?
On YouTube, if you go on YouTube, type in Chimes bar to bar, you will find man there. My Snapchat's Chimes __ 2K23. Yeah, just hit man up.
Chimes, how do you spell it?
CHYMES.
Alright, say nothing, bro. Yeah, big up yourself. Love, yeah?
Blessings, yeah.
Blessings. Yes, everybody. So what's happening right now? We just start filming. We're right here underneath the arches here. Boom. M.Dot's doing his first scene. Yeah, man. A good vibes, people. New song.
Just to keep me safe, and help me keep me moving along this ridge. You don't know money.
How you mean, people? Yeah, man, a good vibes.
Get money real like show. Them no want to see me live nice. Tell them bring another case. Pull up in the car, fully charged, couple gal in the race. Like, come on,
Yes, people, you don't know, say Ringo Vision, we're live on set right now. New song, M.R. Yeah, man. Gone, this one, gone. You know, people. So right now we've just taken a walk into Brixton, people. Yeah. It's an environment that you can come into, and it's got loads of different food stalls in here. We're going to be shooting a few scenes right, yassa. There's a Trinidadian spot right here, so M.Dot's going to buy what we are call it. We are buy?
Doubles.
Doubles.
Yeah, get some doubles, man.
Alright. Yeah, man, good vibes. Good vibes. So yeah, they've got various different food places inside of Brixton as well, people, yeah. Yeah, man, good vibe. We're just going to grab one scene in there, said way. Good vibes, people, yeah. This is also a vlog tour guide of Brixton at the same time. But at the same time, we've got M.Dot's music video inside of this one here, people, yeah. Big up yourself, 24-hour kitchen. We're fully live and direct and active. Good vibes. So yes, people, so what's happening now? He's going to explain what's inside of the double now.
There's chickpeas with cucumber, and there's tamarind sauce. There's also shadow belly sauce.
Shadow Benny sauce, yeah?
That's the one that brings it alive.
Alright,
Then we
cool.
have the hot sauce.
How do you know about double?
I know about Trinidad food, bro. I love Trinidad food, trust me.
Alright.
You see all the different flavors. It's like a mix between Jamaica and India. It's mad. And you smell that. Crazy. Yeah, man.
Oi! Yes, people, look what I go on. Look, basically right now, yeah. Look out for the music video. M.Dot, wait name.
It name Fight Me.
Fight Me. I hate that, man. A good vibes, man. A good vibes. A good vibes. A good vibes. You can see it right behind us. That's it, Electric Avenue. Right on it, people, yeah. This is where electric began in England, people, yeah, in the United Kingdom. Yeah, man, Brixton is an amazing place. As you can see, it's night time right now. The market, yeah, the market is closed, but there's still various food places that you can still come into. Yeah, they're still selling meat out here. You can still come into the butchers and come and buy your things them in the butchers. It's got fishmongers out here, still open, night time, said way. Yeah, man, a good vibes, people. And across here, you got Brixton Food, said way. They're still open, said way. Yeah, man, big up yourself with their people, yeah. Brixton town, yeah, man, London, South London people, yeah. Know about it, a good vibes. It's a nice place to be. Night time, daytime, anytime, yeah. From you have your energy up. And you keep the love in your heart, people. You don't have to worry about where you're going. You go anywhere you want to go on the land, because it's our place. A good vibes. I mean.
But yeah, they got woolly things, man.
So right now, we're just coming to a shop, people, yeah. It's full of island spices, people, yeah. A good vibes. A range of all different forms of seasonings. As you can see, amazing. Different flavors from all around the world, people. All the ranges here. I'll be here for so long if I was to be going through every single thing.
Do all my shopping.
But M.Dot there, so cameraman there, so yeah, man, we just, yeah, good vibes, people. Peppers, spices, a good vibes, a good vibes. Pick up yourself, everyone. This is something that should be in all of our cupboards. Extra virgin olive oil. Definitely we're going to do an episode on how to use the extra virgin olive oil for medical purposes, people, yeah? Beneficial purposes for the body. A good vibes. This is my favorite, one of my favorite root vegetables, people, yeah? If you want to know what one of my favorite root vegetables is, it's this one here. The dasheen. Yeah, man, the dasheen, people, yeah, I love this one. A good vibes. Yeah, this is one of my favorite drinks as well, people, yeah? A good vibes. So right opposite us, everybody, yeah, we have Morley's. This is Morley's shopping mall.
Mate, you know what I mean? From right back in the old day.
From 1880, people, yeah, this shop here has been serving Brixton, the whole of Brixton.
Yeah, I never
man.
knew this. I never know this.
A good vibe.
So that was like the main like a big outlet store, the only one that was there like around
This is where everybody came. People come to Brixton to come and shop.
for like their home stuff and all stuff like that.
Right, yes, so Morley's. And then
Oh,
right
I never knew that, you know.
And then right opposite the road now,
Electric.
we've got Electric Avenue, right opposite. A good vibes, people. Big up yourself, you don't know. We're there, we're in Brixton. A good vibes today. Yeah, man, a good vibes. It is that time. Everything complete.
Yeah.
A good vibes, people. Yeah, man, that way you say turn red, I go on.
Yo, bro. Psh. Like I don't know, like to put it in words, it's quite difficult. But it's blowing up crazy, like all around the world. It's like a hit. It's like the biggest hit song I've ever had, by far. Yeah, so it's a good vibes, man. Obviously, with that, it changes everything, man. Everything's changing.
All right, people. So look, what we are trying to say right now, yeah. Our vibes are going.
A different path. We are trod right, I know.
Our vibes are going right now, and as M. just said, turn red is just turn up the place for the end of the
whole place.
yeah,
red.
for the end of the year. Because look,
I remember Ringo and Moses, you know, so from time we have to part the Red Sea.
see happy part.
We have to just part the Red Sea.
See happy part right now. So, yeah, man, our good vibes, people. Right now we're just cutting through West Norwood. We just left out of Brixton.
Finished the big up the cameraman. Flew all the way from Switzerland, man, just to shoot a music video for us. So that's dedication. I hope he goes far. I'm glad to give him a new song, Fight Me, unreleased music. So yeah, you lot heard some exclusive today.
Our good vibes. Yo, people, M.'s driving skills has improved, you know. From me started when I first jumping on it, man, I'm driving at confidence right now.
Yeah, do you know what it is, bro?
Yeah.
So we drive every day, Wally every day, London, Jamaica.
So you make up for it?
Make up for it, brother.
You done about a 5-year driving?
I've done about 10 years, bro.
That's true, man.
Yeah. Listen, driving in Kingston, Jamaica is not a joke. When you start driving there in London, it's crazy. Trust me, daddy.
Yes, everybody, so look, we just done and shot the music video, yeah, in one of the most amazing places in Brixton on Electric Avenue, people, yeah. The first place in the UK to actually have electric, everybody, yeah. Yeah, man, a good vibe. So guess what I go on now, yeah. All I need you guys to do, yeah, so you need to check out the video, the Brixton vlog, the previous Brixton vlog on the channel, everybody, yeah. And also, the next video after this video that's coming out, coming a bit closer, the next video that's coming out after this video, everyone, yeah, is the video of my history, which is going to relate to what we're all doing right now. We're watching YouTube and we're watching content created videos, yeah? So back in 2004, that's where my journey started and began, everybody, yeah? Recording musicians all over the UK. You understand, people? So I need each and every one of you guys, yeah, that's watching this video right now, to click on the link that's already on the channel, Icy Streets, the DVD, everybody. It's the trailer video, but look out for all the up and coming series of videos after this one, everybody. Yeah, big up yourself. You don't know what I go on. Ringo Vision, 24-hour kitchen. Yeah, man, the music video in Brixton, that one there was shot in M.R. Big up yourself. Yeah, man, a good vibes, people. Outside, fully active. The thing I go on said with good vibes.